Did you enjoy your PC?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yes.
Does it work as you expected?
Yes, it does.
Is it better than what you expected?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you? What about the looks? You like the looks?
Yes, it looks very nice.
What's up, people? So finally we have the first PC, the first build. This is the gaming PC I built for my son, which includes Xeon processor, 8 GB RAM, SSD as the boot drive, GTX 780 graphics card, 760 watts power supply, and the rest all you can see. A clean and simple build that I did for him for his birthday, and we've been testing it for the past few days, and now the birthday boy is here, and he has gone through it playing. I'm going to have the videos of him playing it in this video itself. As you can see, we have done a proper cable management. All the cables are hidden and tucked in for a clean appearance. So now this is what we will do in our custom builds too. We will be arranging the cable, and we are not just going to throw in everything in there and call it a gaming PC. Now most of our basic PCs are probably might not have all the RGB and all these bells and whistles for the lighting, because that does not add on the performance, that does add on the cost. So we are trying to keep it as low as possible, but on a higher end build, if possible, I will try to add something of a blink factor to make it look even more better than what it is. Now this is for my son, and these are not exactly cheap components in there. There are pretty good stuff in there. So this is kind of a normal, you can say mid-level PC for gaming. It can do 1080p pretty decently, as you can see in the benchmark scores. In that, it's a DirectX 12 stress test, and it's easily going through that. Now the whole idea about this PC was to build something that he can do his homework and make sure end of the day he can spend some time playing his favorite game like PUBG or Fortnite. So here we are with a successful project. Now this is what I want to do for everyone. I want to build something that can do these things minus the looks, something that is feasible financially, so you can get it for your kids or get it for yourself as your first gaming PC. And with my expertise in building strong PCs, reliable, and my 30 years of experience in this PC gaming should bring some advantage to you. So we're going to have a lot of videos after this showing how I'm building PCs, what do I do, my method of cleaning, my method of installing, my method of building. All of these are going to come as another set of videos. Please subscribe to us and watch so you don't miss out anything, and then you can get those PCs from us once we are ready to launch them, because they are undergoing stress test as we speak, just like this PC, which took me a few days to stress test and confirm that it's performing as my son would expect. Fadi, can you join us? So this is the new school gamer, and I am the old school gamer. So did you enjoy your PC?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yes.
Does it work as you expected?
Yes, it does.
Is it better than what you expected?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you, what about the looks? You like the looks?
Yes, it looks very nice.
Okay, so you played, what did you play? Did you play Fortnite?
Yeah, I played Fortnite.
And did you play, what else did you play in this one?
I played
Unreal Tournament?
Unreal Tournament.
Yeah, that's the
And
game
Crysis.
I used to play before. And Crysis, he has played Crysis. So this is a Crysis certified machine. And thank you, Fadi, for your time. And appreciate you testing these PCs. Fadi won't be here to test the other PCs, but we know his experience, and we'll make sure all the other PCs that we build will have similar experience and similar performance. So thank you.